Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
Petitioner is lugged and logged in FIR of Police Station Jaswantpura, District Jalore for the offence under section 498A and 304B of the IPC full stop. He has filed this application for restoration of liberty under section 439 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 full stop. Learned counsel representing the petitioner vehemently urged that death of Reena was simply an accidental death since there are indications of her being slipped from staircase of her house which can be inferred from facts mentioned in site plan and site description memo full stop. He further argued that there was only a simple injury below her eye, marks of bandage, drip administration to her and stitching of wounds on her body full stop stanza. He further argued that deceased suffered injuries due to falling from staircase and ingredients of the section 304B of the IPC cannot be treated to be made out against the petitioner since deceased died due to cardiac arrest full stop. He further argued that the petitioner is innocent person and a false case has been foisted against him, that entire allegations so leveled by the police against the petitioner is totally false and baseless, that nothing has been recovered from possession of the petitioner, that there is no concrete evidence to show direct nexus between the petitioner and alleged crime. Rather, case of the prosecution is based on surmises and conjectures instead of sound legal evidence full stop. Therefore, considering the facts and circumstances, the petitioner may be released on bail full stop. From the other side, learned public prosecutor for the state has strongly objected the submissions made by learned counsel for the applicant full stop stanza. It was further argued that there is overwhelming evidence adduced on record which would prima facie point towards the guilty of the applicant, that keeping in view the gravity of offence alleged to have been committed by him, he does not deserve any leniency, rather they need to be dealt with severely full stop. He thus prayed that in the facts of the present case it is expedient that accused be kept in the custody full stop. I have given my thoughtful consideration to the arguments advanced by learned counsel for the parties and have perused the record carefully full stop. Having given anxious consideration to the rival submissions and having examined the record with reference to the law applicable, I am clearly of the view that petitioner is husband of deceased full stop. It is an admitted case of prosecution that deceased Reena died in her in-laws house full stop stanza. The fact that Reena had fallen from the stairs at her in-laws residence did not come up in statement of any witness recorded under section 161 CRPC full stop. It is prima facie only an assumption or imagination of investigating officer that Rina slipped from the staircase, which resulted into injury to her. Full stop. It prima facie appears that investigating officer has brought this fact on file beyond the record in order to weaken the case of complainant oblique prosecution and to facilitate the accused to get a basis for defense. Full stop. The IO was not the eyewitness of the incident who could have narrated such observation of falling of Rina from the stairs in site plan. Full stop.